Welcome to the Info TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first get the application from the Play Store. So along the Play Store app and enter here the X Icon Changer. After that, we should get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the app here, and here now we can choose one from the available applications, and we can select one from the applications icon. For example, we can go with the contacts. Here by click to the edit icon, we can rename the contacts if you want, but but I don't want to do that. So here we have the library was a couple of different folders with icons. Here we have also the photo section. We can use our device gallery photo, for example, previously taken on our device camera, or just for example downloaded from the internet, or if you want, you can use your camera right now, take a picture and set it here on your icon here. But I'll go just with the regular, for example with this icon default one, and just click here to OK on the right upper corner. And now we just should skip the ads here. So click here to the 6 icon. And now just we should click here to add automatically. Now we can change the next icon by the same way here. And where is so we can see here we have the new icon from our Icon Changer app. We can see here the difference between these two icons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.